I'll be showing you how to change the website name in Wix. The first thing you want to do once on the Wix editor page or dashboard, as you can see right here, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see this three dots right beside design site. You're going to tap on the three dots. Then you're going to see the option rename site. After doing that, you can see the website name at the moment, and you can see that it also affects the site URL. So you're going to simply change the name right here. So let's say, for example, I were to change the name to, let's say, Jason. So I'll do that real quick. Then you can see also the site URL. You can change the name right there also. Then you'll tap on save. After you have tapped on save, you can see it is renaming your site. So now my website name has changed. And you can see the change by going over to the top left hand corner. You can see it right there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.